What I want to tell you is, when you see this, whenever you see this video right here, I just want you to know like why I started recording these videos and these lessons and these messages to you. As you know, I trade, right? And I've shown you some things with the trading. And I know like right now you're 12 and there's a lot about it that you don't really understand. And I understand that, that's fine. But I wanted to leave this message because whenever you read this, even if it's 10 years from now, you'll be at a different place and you can understand more about what your father was trying to show you, like about the trading. You know, it really isn't about charts. It's not really about trading or even about the money that can be generated from trading. This is about showing you discipline, patience, and how to build something steady. So today I'm going to show you a trade breakdown from this week, something that I looked at, and I'm going to create a lesson for you to learn from what I'm about to show you. Okay? The big thing today is going to be patience, waiting, and execution. All right? Patience, waiting, and execution. So as we dive into the charts here, short means sell. We need to wait for the right entry. So now what we do is I look for a structure on a lower time frame that supports this higher time frame move. And what I see here is this area here, this area right here. So this area on the bottom left is this area right here on the right. Now I see a breakdown in price. And this happens between 12:54 on Monday to about 3:18 in the morning. So that's like a lot of time, right? I see this breakdown in price. So what that tells me is that we now may be moving short. But my bias is still based off of this higher time frame. So most traders, what they'll do is they'll just make a move and just move without waiting for these other levels. I like to wait. And when I see more confirmation of what's about to happen, then I'll execute. And as you look, this was on Monday, right? You could have held this short from Monday all the way to like Friday. And it went from 33.55 all the way down to like 33.23. It's like 35 points on gold. So I just wanted to show you an example. Now this candle right here takes 45 minutes to close. So I first saw this first level fail at 130. And just because I see the initial fail, I'm gonna wait until it retests. And if you look right here, this happened at 224, 215, and then it retested at 7:48 in the morning. This would have been a great time to get into that trade, and then you could just have held this almost the whole week. So I just wanted to share that with you, son. This is like some of the things that I teach. Actually, this is a lot of a big part of what I teach. This is patience, this is waiting, and this is execution. All right, son. I want you to get used to looking at these candles and seeing what these look like too, okay? Because this is a skill and this is a discipline and something that I'm leaving for you to follow.